Welcome to X-Geo to learn Spanish. Expand your vocabulary by subscribing and watching the word of the day. Today's word is folding screen.
El biombo. El biombo.
Now, let's use this word in a sentence. Irene went behind the folding screen and changed her clothes.
Irene se metió detrás del biombo y se cambió. Irene se metió detrás del biombo y se cambió.
That does it for our word of the day. We recommend repeating this video, speaking this word and phrase aloud, then writing it down to commit to memory. Visit our channel to watch our full Spanish lessons to become fluent. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of the next word of the day.